Hey, what is up, guys? My name is Teacher Ben, coming to you live with my third installment in the ongoing series of putting together a sentence in Bisaya. All right, so without further ado, let's get to this amazing material. All right, so I have dissected your basic sentence structure, and that is at the bottom, so please bear with me. Here it is at the bottom. We have action, subject, object, and then an adverb. It should be adverb of time. Okay, so we do have action. Let's choose an action. Let's say enam, drink. Now let's put na in front of it. So we have na enam. So that takes care of our action. Now we need a subject. Let's say I. So let's say ko. All right. So we have na enam ko. And now we need to choose an object. Let's choose from our list of objects. Let's choose milk. All right, so far we have na inam ko gatas. Na inam ko gatas. I will write this underneath here. We have na inam ko gatas. And now we need to choose an adverb of time. Okay, so let's choose here adverbs of time. Let's choose kauron. So that would be now. So altogether we have enam, we have na. Na is present. So we have I am drinking milk now. Okay, so it's going to translate literally as I am drinking. I am drinking milk now. That would actually be I drink milk now. Okay, so we need to actually choose mag or mu for the future. Okay.